Welcome to Stella, the International Private School. We're excited to show you our School of Early Global Education today. Enjoy your virtual tour. Stella offers a unique opportunity for children to experience an education that will have a profound impact on the rest of their lives. Throughout their day, students are fully immersed in a second language. We're proud to offer a quality education with the added benefit of becoming bilingual. Let's talk about curriculum. Our curriculum is designed with careful consideration for individual learning and making sure that it's creative, dynamic, and fun. Our curriculum coordinator works with teachers to build a curriculum unique to Sella that inspires a love of learning and prepares students for future academic success. We couldn't do what we do here each day without our faculty and staff. Our team is made up of passionate, dedicated professionals who are committed to providing your child with a safe, happy, and engaging school experience. Of course, there have been some changes to the way that we do things here at school in light of COVID-19. However, we've been successfully open since June, and we're committed to taking the steps necessary to remain open safely moving forward. Let's review some of those changes now. Sella is following guidelines that make health and safety the top priority. Per EEC and CDC guidelines, students are encouraged to wear face masks while in the classroom within close contact of their peers. Per these guidelines, teachers are required to wear a face mask while in the classroom and in close contact. Sella has provided our teachers with several options of these clear face masks that allow the students to read the teacher's facial expressions and to learn the second language effectively. Each classroom is now divided into 2 different areas. Each area has 1 to 2 tables that are at least 6 feet apart. And each area is designated by a different color for easy identification by children and staff. At each table, we have a small, consistent group of 3 to 5 students, and they have their own materials just shared at their table so that they're not sharing materials amongst the entire classroom. Within the classroom, materials are used in a way that minimizes sharing, and all of these materials are sanitized in between each use. Each classroom is also sanitized throughout the day, as well as at the end of the day, using an electrostatic sanitation system. Each classroom has also been equipped with an air purifier. Sella has a comprehensive health policy that is maintained by our school nurse. This policy now includes a daily self-screening that is required for all students and staff to complete prior to entering the building. This screening includes questions regarding potential COVID-like symptoms or exposure. This is just another step that we're taking to help keep our school community safe. The Sella community is a special place to be. There are many ways for a parent to get involved with their child's learning in the classroom. From parent association events, to parent story times, to parent-teacher conferences. Communication and parent involvement are key to our success.
Here at Escuela, where it is a small school, you definitely have a very strong sense of community. There are a lot of families that have multiple children here through the preschool and in the elementary side, and it's great to see a lot of parents come out to support a lot of the functions that we throw here. We have a very strong parents association who helps to coordinate some of the events. We have family-geared activities such as the trunk or treat. We also have parent-geared activities such as a parents' night out. So we have lots of opportunities for families to be involved at the school.
I hope you've enjoyed learning a little bit about Sella and what sets us apart from other schools. Sella students truly become global citizens, crossing cultural and language barriers with ease while becoming multilingual. You'll be amazed at the level of learning your child will experience and how much fun they'll have while doing it.